Don't know what to eat. I would eat that, but there's no rice, so milk, water, butter. Let's check the fridge over here. It's open. What's in here? Food coloring. My Filipino stuff. Sinigang. Ooh. Oh. Bread. Oreo. What's this? Oh. It's like Oreo. Then my Red Bull. A Red Bull. I might drink that. How many Oreos have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many Oreos have I got? Might eat all of them later. Bread. Ah, noodles. Oh, oops. Like noodles. I wanna eat my noodles later. Spicy noodles. Bread. Damn, we got a Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings, so I'm just gonna drink that now. Later, probably. So yeah, random video about my fridge. What am I doing about my fridge? Anyway, so that's it. That's like 2 of my fridges. One to keep like bread, biscuits, Lady's Choice, Oreos. One to keep what's in the freezer? Any ice cream? Ben and Jerry's. Hey, do I have cookie dough? Stuck there. No cookie dough, vanilla. What? Oh, that's a big chicken. Tasty chicken. I want this chicken later. Chicken. Anyway. Eel food. More chicken. That's chicken. And steak. Steak. And more ice cream. Oh, God, is that it? Alright, cool. Whew. Oh, look at this. Face. Happy cooking basmati rice. My little brother. Oh, you can't spell yet. Mark's weight 40 kilos, 6.3 stones. Damn it, bro. Damn it. Why must you do that? Okay.